What's up, guys, and welcome to this special episode of Infinity 8. It's me, Steven, with my brother-in-law, Bonnie, and today we're partnering up with
the Captain's Beard.
the Captain's Beard, yeah. So for those of you guys that don't know what the Captain's Beard is, this is a South African company that mainly they produce just beard grooming.
Yeah.
It's all beard grooming products. Grooming, trimming,
Yeah.
basically the whole thing. So, and they've got barbers, special barbers.
Barber shops around South Africa.
So,
Ever expanding. And great packaging, great logo.
Yeah, so we're gonna rock this on our new shirts that's currently being printed. So we're definitely partnering up with the Captain's Beard because, as you can see, I'm growing mine. I'm gonna be a red beard, but yeah, it's growing. Mine's growing. Bonnie's one was long.
Yeah.
But-
About a year ago, and now I started it again. So let's see.
We'll show you before and after photos of it.
This
Currently.
is what we were waiting for.
So this is a combo starter pack that we got from them. So I like the fact that it's actually branded. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna give it to Barney, and he's gonna go through it. So currently with the combo, there's 4 products.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's 4. So we only cut it open. So you just open it up. So the first item is. There you go.
Dun, dun, dun.
Great
Right,
reveal.
guys. So we've got the beard cream here. This is a moisturizing cream. If you have a look at it, all branded and really good. This is basically for when
Smells good.
you start your beer grooming. I mean beer.
You said beard.
Beer. I said beer. Apologies. Oh, no apologies.
This is a Belgian beer. If you haven't drank this before, get this.
Bel.
Currently, we're not being sponsored by them or Biddy Castle. Castle, if you're watching.
Hint.
Yeah, Castle. You can send us something.
Let's put it there. Duvel actually stand. Oh, no,
But this,
never mind.
yeah, this comes from Belgium. Thanks, Nosip, for this one.
Yes. So basically, back to the beard grooming. So as you start out your beard, we all have something in mind. You might have a large beard in mind. You might have just a trimmed one. You might have an authentic custom one where you cut it according to your lifestyle, your work. All depends. The Captain's Beard can actually fit into all those.
Categories, basically.
Basically, all of those categories. Yeah. Great product, great logo, great smell. This will
it
moisturize
smells
and it will actually soften your skin, and it will also assist you when you get when the new hairs out of the follicles, when they start coming out, they will actually start to itch normally. But what Christo and his team at the Captain Beard has done, they just formulated this product so that it softens your skin and takes away a lot of the itching. But really,
It moisturizes, but the smell. I wish you guys could. Can they smell it? Smell it. Smell it and take it. Oh, that smells good. It's like
really,
You actually think
great.
you can actually take this and just pour it over your whole body, basically, and you
Yeah.
can smell good.
it will.
So this is the authentic, soften, gentling, moisturizing cream. So that's the
Exactly.
first one.
Yeah,
that we have.
awesome. Yeah,
Okay.
that's great.
So
Put it over there.
just grab second one, and the next one is the
Wash.
beard wash
Basically a shampoo, a beard shampoo.
for getting rid of filth.
Yeah, basically washing. The way you usually do your hair. This one, it's not. You can use. It's a 200 milliliter, and it's great vanilla flavor. Have a look at that. Great smell again.
And
Great.
it's formulated for your beard because your beard is harder than your
I think
normal.
it's got a great taste too. Wow. We'll see. Let's. Yeah, great taste again. Once again.
This is vanilla.
Yeah.
Vanilla.
So once or twice a week, even daily if you'd like to. You can. It's basically a shampoo. You can wash your beard with it, and it will really enhance the look and the feel of that beard because it will soften up the hairs as you go along.
So I'll probably use this daily in any case.
I know.
So.
Yeah. you'll probably-
Okay, so third one,
Yeah.
and this is.
The detangler.
There you go.
All right.
I like
it
the
almost
fact-
sounds like a superhero's name. The detangler.
Dangler, yeah, DC Marvel, DC Marvel. That's actually fitting. We just put it in between. We'll get to that somewhere.
So basically, if you have a look, we will explain later that the Captain's Beard also has a online shop. So on the online shop, you will see this one. You will always also see a beard brush.
Yeah, they've got a
With
brush
the
as well.
wooden look to it, a wooden feel. It's really awesome. But this detangler will basically Well,
It's soft, so I
Yeah.
can actually use it. So I like the fact that it's got the logo on it. So
you can use it to detangle that bush.
yeah, unfortunately, as you can see, mine hasn't been trimmed yet, but I haven't
It's a
had
start.
I'm just starting to grow it, and then I actually need to go for a decent trimming because we've been working in corporate, so unfortunately we have to look the part as well. But I like the fact this actually works. It does
And
work.
they and the guys from Captain's
It's soft.
the guys from Captain's Beard actually invited us to go to one of their barbershops. So sooner than later, we'll do a exclusive from one of the stores as well.
Yeah, we have to basically go and trim this because I'll probably get fired. I'm looking like a caveman currently. So,
But
yeah.
nevertheless, it's a if you kind of ladies out there who's watching, if you kind of think this is a manly show today, it is kind of quite manly. But if you have a beard, ladies,
You can grow it as well.
well, or go to the circus.
Yeah, we'll
You can
definitely
join
support,
them.
We'll support you somewhere, bearded lady. But yeah, they probably have a better beard than what I've got. But yeah, never mind.
Some of them maybe.
I'm not going to go into it. So let's get to the last product. That's the last one inside the box.
Yeah, one of
And
many.
this is the beard oil.
Yeah, that's the beard oil.
They've got a couple of them.
yeah.
Different ones.
They've got a couple of different ones, but with the combo that the guys there sent us, you get this one in. This one will basically, it's a blended oil, and it will really enhance the feel and the silkiness of your beard. It's called the Zeus, so you know why?
Yeah, I know why. Because I smelled this.
Let me smell
It's
it.
horrible because we smell everything. But the thing is, you can actually take some of that because it's oil. Well,
This
it's
is not
oil.
horrible. It's horrible that people smell stuff.
The thing is about this thing, what I like, is the fact that if you wear this, if you put this on your beard, because you have to apply it, they say actually recommend it to be used by
Really good.
a female actually has to help you. So I can ask my wife, she can actually, because I've got more delicate hands. But you start from the bottom up and you just work itself in. And the thing is, this one is called the Zeus. I don't know why they named it, but I know why I'm going to name it the Zeus. Because if you actually smell this, I mean, this smells as like a Greek god. This. You basically don't need anything else. If you just have this on, it's like a cologne on its own.
Imagine that.
But I mean, they do state that this has got it's cologne and oils mixed. So this is basically all in one rounder. So
Yeah,
I'm not
if
sure
you
if you
use
can
that-
use this every day,
if
but
you-
I assume you can. I assume you can.
Yeah, because you said earlier you mentioned to me.
They say you have to.
Yeah.
Preferably, best recommended is asking a female to help because they've got more delicate hands. It's actually stated on there.
And even though you, if you use this one, like we tested it and smelt it, even though you're not at one of the barbershops, you feel like you've been groomed if you use it at your house and you go out in the morning. It actually feels like, and it smells.
I like the
can-
grooming. This thing is awesome.
You can smell that
just
you've
using it.
had a proper grooming session, basically. But as you say, it's like do it yourself at home, and it's really awesome. Just to mention again, this logo will be on our shirts. As we said, it's in printing. So for the next videos, we're going to have the logos on there. Can't wait. Really awesome. Another thing, remember, in the link below, you will find
The website.
the website.
Yeah.
And then just keep in mind, you can go onto their website for the online shop as well. And
I've got a lot of products.
yeah, to actually and
why
tips, and tips.
And tips as well. They actually tell you how to grow your beard and what types of beard to get, and it's actually very entertaining. Well, not entertaining, it's actually helpful.
Yeah.
I mean, I saw a lot of stuff. So yeah.
Look, the cooperation and the partnership between ourselves and the Captain's Beard is we're gonna bring the gaming section
that's our next step.
into it with our next step, whereby we're gonna aren't we doing that video about the top 5
Top 5
bearded gaming characters?
best top 5 gaming. Well, our opinion, not everyone's
Yeah.
opinion, but our opinion. And we're not talking about customization, where the character basically you can go to the barber and create any beard. We're talking about full-length stories where the guy actually does have a beard in. So yes, we're doing our top 5 sooner. Well,
Yeah.
it's going to be probably one in the next two weeks. Probably it's going to
Yeah,
be. Yeah.
definitely. We will. Keep a lookout for that one.
And the nice thing also about, well, in the link will be, like Barney said, the description, well, the link to their website, but also their Facebook page. So definitely go in there and you'll see a lot of guys. Please, if you've got a beard, post pics there. They actually encourage it, and you'll see guys there they put Santa Claus to shame with the types of beard that they actually have. So, which is amazing. I like the fact that just to look at it. And I think if you're a male, just grow a beard. Just try it once in your lifetime, even if you don't like it, or if you feel it's just patchy or something. They've got great advice. You can actually just send them a message on Facebook, and they will actually give you some feedback, because a lot of people stop at 3 weeks or something because it's patchy and something, and it's always around 4 weeks that it starts. But they've got a lot of tips on the website as well that teaches you that.
Exactly.
So go to their Facebook page, link in below, and actually just follow their page. And the nice thing that we're going to do with our next video regarding the Captain's Beard is we're going to one of their barbershops. Like we mentioned, they've got all these amazing products, but they also have barbershops all across South Africa. So you can book online, and then you can do a whole beard session, and even your hair. You can cut your hair, everything. So I'm definitely booking mine there. And then
and
we're going to take
they actually do incorporate, as you're sitting there,
you get a craft beer,
get a craft beer, a
local SA craft beer.
Yeah,
Not the Belgian one.
Not the Belgian
but
one.
still, our SA crafted beer it's very good. So
yeah. So
can't
while
wait
you're
to see
sitting and having your, and then you just have a sip of a beer. They actually offer you. They come to you and say,
don't drink
"What
and
would you like
drive.
to drink?"
Don't drink. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't drink
one
and
is fine.
drive. Just
Be safe.
be safe and grow a beard.
And grow a beard. No, that's it. And,
So guys, it's been great.
Talking to you about a new line and our new partnership with the Captain's Beard. So we really look forward to seeing where this is going to take us. And this is really, we're not promoting this just for the sake of just promoting it. This is really
this product,
decent quality products. So if you've got a beard, I mean, you grew it, so actually take pride in it. Take pride in it and pamper yourself. I mean, you're worth it in any case. It's like L'Oreal, isn't it?
No, you're worth it.
You're worth it or something.
The missus usually, as I say in this, if you were like one of those Viking guys, you just say, what do you mean?
Yeah,
I'm going to grow a
we can
beard.
start it now for November. It's around the corner now already. I know it's a couple of months away, but you can start now and build up to that.
Yeah.
So
she'll love the smell.
Yeah,
Even if she doesn't like the scratch, she'll love the smell.
She can always use you to scrub the plates out or something. It doesn't matter. But yeah,
cheese grater.
We really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.
Cheers, guys.